Using a mobile phone while skating on the ice is dangerous to you and those around you. Please use this app responsibly, watch first and practice later. For our backwards lemons, we're going to need to be reminded of how to get those legs turning in and turning out, like the pencils in the pencil sharpener. But remember, this is all going to be the reverse direction. So everything we did for forwards lemons started open and finished closed with the toes turning inwards. Now we're going to start with the toes and knees facing in towards each other. And a little bit like the feeling of swimming, if you're doing breaststroke in the swimming pool, your legs will follow a similar pattern now. They're going to press outward and then you can draw them around and back, heels together. All right, now, because we want continuous lemons, unlike our rocking horse where we were going one forwards and one backwards, we're going to have to get that bottleneck moment which we learned in our forwards lemons whilst we're skating backwards. So toes are nicely pointing together. We press out, around, and we're going to squeeze the heels together and then in through that parallel moment, ready to send the heels out again and press away, heels draw together and turning those feet into that bottleneck moment just before they meet each other.
Remember, we balance in the front 1/3 of our feet and apply our push effort towards the ball of the foot. Limit the width that you allow your feet to travel. The widest point of your lemon should be no further apart than your shoulders. Be ready to create that parallel or bottleneck moment at the end of each lemon. Now that you're gaining more momentum, check your path is clear by occasionally doing an over-shoulder check like we see Vitali do here.